Do you want to learn how to use Amazon ads to reach new customers and engage them? Then keep on watching. Hi guys, if you're new here, this is Farah. I am a seller. I am in New York, and the reason I'm here is I'm attending Amazon ads Unboxed conference, and I came across some wonderful new features that Amazon is bringing out, and so I wanted to share them with you in today's video. Let's get started. So did you know that small business gained 17% more customers on average using Amazon ads for 8 weeks? And this is based on Amazon's internal data and research, which I thought was quite wonderful. And so this is why I wanted to make this video and share some of the ad products and features that are available to small businesses, and you can use them to grow your reach and find new customers for your wonderful products and really grow the awareness for your brand. So let's talk about some of the ad solutions that are available to you as a business. So one of the first ones is sponsored products that you can use to advertise an individual product in the search results. Then you have sponsored brands, which you can use to highlight a collection of product or drive traffic to your store, and use lifestyle images, your logo, so you can really show your brand personality using these ads. Then you also have sponsored brands video ads, which are also like a really wonderful tool that you can use to help customers visualize your products and see them in lifestyle use. Then you have sponsored display, which you can use to reach customers on and off Amazon, and different audiences are available to you. Then you have a new option, which is sponsored TV, which is available in I think is getting rolled out from US first, and it will become available to other countries and marketplaces too. But it's really exciting that as a small business you can run a commercial using sponsored TV. It's really cool that Amazon has made this available to small and medium businesses too, because this was traditionally saved for bigger brands with bigger budgets, and small businesses couldn't really compete with that. So I love this new feature. And another wonderful thing about the sponsored TV ad option is that you have no minimum spend limits. So there are no big limits placed, like you don't have to spend thousands of dollars per day. You can spend, decide that you just want to spend $100 or $200 per day, and your commercial would be shown on properties like Freebie or other Amazon devices and properties. So this is a really cool option, a really cool rollout that I came across at the conference, and I loved it for the small business. So now you know about all these wonderful ad solutions that are available to you as a small business, but how to access them. So we're going to talk about that too. So one of the first things you've got to make sure is that you are registered for advertising on Amazon, and you have an active seller account or a vendor account. Other than that, you need to have an active payment method on file, so Amazon can charge you for the ad spend. And then you need to make sure that your product detail page is in top condition. So you've got to have a strong title, you've got to have bullet points all populated with keywords, and have really good images, at least 4 high quality zoomable images. You can have more, but 4 is like the minimum. And then try to gain some reviews, at least 5 reviews, and then hopefully they are good 3.5 or higher rating reviews. That will really help with using these ad products to further get the word out there about your product. And then obviously you want to make sure that you are the featured offer on the product detail page, and you are able to ship the product in the country you're advertising in. So these are a couple of the things that you want to make sure. It's like a checklist that you want to ensure is all ticked off before you launch your ads on Amazon. I will also recommend that you sign up I will also recommend that you sign up to Amazon Brand Registry, because it will open up so many great options for you, like Amazon sponsored brands ads and sponsored video ads and display ads, which I just mentioned earlier. You've got to have Brand Registry for that, so make sure you do sign up for that too. There's no additional cost to signing up to Amazon Brand Registry. It just lets Amazon know that you're a brand owner, you're the rights and intellectual property owner, and you can protect your listings, your product detail pages, and all the assets that you create, that you're the rightful owner. So it's really important to protect that when you are beginning or starting to advertise on Amazon. Another really exciting feature that I loved was sponsored product campaign presets. And basically what will happen is, once your product or your catalog is uploaded into Amazon will see which products have our conversion potential, and they will suggest campaigns which will have preloaded budgets and certain settings that will help you launch those campaigns faster. So they will be sponsored product campaigns, and so you will be able to launch campaigns easier and faster, and Amazon will do the work for you and actually let you know that this is the potential clicks and impressions you can receive and conversions that you can expect. So all you have to do is just launch them, and you're good to go, and your ads would be running. And these are the sponsored product campaign ads that I mentioned that promote your individual products. So I thought that was a really cool feature that reduces your workload. So small business owners, there are so many options out there for you to reach your customers who are looking for your unique products on Amazon. Let Amazon ads help you reach them and help you grow your business. So make sure you guys subscribe or follow for more tips related to Amazon ads, selling on Amazon, and I'll see you guys next time.